Hello everyone, I'm Olga Oisan, CEO at Zapiens. Pleasure to meet you. So my main goal at Zapiens is to take the company to the next level.
Our technology team is dedicated to continuously innovate our AI-driven solutions. We focus on creating adaptive learning paths that meet the unique needs for each user, ensuring that the learning experience is both engaging and effective. Our product has grown and evolved alongside our clients and their demanding requirements.
Our company culture is built on continuous learning and collaboration. We believe in empowering our team members to grow professionally and personally. This culture is the heart of our success, fostering an environment where innovation thrives. Our team brings a wealth of experience from various industries, which allow us to understand and address the diverse challenges our clients face. We're committed to delivering exceptional service and support to ensure our clients get the most out of our platform.
We're ambitious about our growth and are actively expanding into new markets in Europe and America. We aim to become a leading solution in intelligent learning and knowledge management globally. We believe that by partnering with more organizations, we can further revolutionize the way knowledge is shared and stored, creating more efficient workplaces.
We want to become the most powerful knowledge management tool in the world using artificial intelligence. To do this, I'll lead all the team of the company and also manage the operations and sales. We would love to be part of your program and thank you very much for the opportunity.